Hello. Today we're going to go over the basics of conditions in Rust. Conditions allow us to make decisions on what code to execute depending on certain factors. So let's define a condition about whether or not my friend is happy. This is where we can use the boolean data type. So if she is happy, let's print out she is smiling. Compile and run, and we can see it worked. Let's set the variable to false and add an else statement for when she is not happy. Let's compile and run again, and we can see the line she is not happy printed out to console. We can also have our code only check a condition if a previous condition passed by combining the keywords else and if. So here, we only check if she is sad if we know she isn't happy. So let's write else if she is sad, print out she is frowning, and let's see the results of this. If we wanted, we could run our if-else statement from the beginning in one line. So let's delete the else-if statement and collapse what we have here. Now, if we want to check a range of values, a nice conditional statement we could use is match. In other languages, this is known as a switch case statement. So let's define a variable my height in centimeters, and we'll have a block of code to match what to say depending on how tall I am. If 0 centimeters, then I don't exist. We can say that if I'm up to and including 60 centimeters, then I'm just a baby. If I'm up to and including 140, then I'm vertically uninclined. And we can continue this for various heights. We can take advantage of max here to define the largest possible entry and define a range up to that number. We can also put an underscore to catch anything that wasn't covered in our other stated ranges. So let's try this out. It looks like I forgot one of the equal signs for the inclusive. So let's change that and try again. So we see mid-tier written out. Now I can make myself taller and see what happens. And we get what we expected. I can also put some nonsense like a negative height, and we see that the underscore caught it as we see some error message printed out. We can also use match to compare values. So let's put my friend's height here and run a comparison operation. Now don't worry if you don't understand the syntax, we will discuss this more later on. All you need to know is that we're comparing the two values, and using ordering from standard library, we can catch all the conditions here. So at 150, she is shorter, and at 200, she is taller. At 180, she is the same. And that is everything for this episode. I'll see you next time.